What's the most valuable lesson you've learned in your career that you think entrepreneurs or business leaders should know?
Well, for me, it's something that, I'll admit I've just learned in the last few years, which is get out of bed every day doing something that you would want to do for the rest of your life. And if you feel like you're doing something that's unsustainable for you personally or your family, then get out of it and do something else. And so when I'm talking to business owners that tell me, hey, I want to be doing this for the rest of my life because I love it that much. That really inspires me. And I've talked to folks in software who are like, I got lonely in software, so I went into solar. And I talked to folks in solar who are like, construction is too hard. I got to have construction. So whatever you're doing, ask yourself, is this really what I want to be doing independent of the money, independent of, the stressors associated with it? Because there's stress in any job, in any career. And, if the answer is no, find that thing that really motivates you so much that you could imagine doing it for the rest of your life, no matter what it is, depending on your personal profile or personality. And some of that it just comes with age, getting to the point where you don't have anything to prove to anyone other than doing what makes you happy, doing what brings you joy.